Today I'm going to be testing out these Jeoronuly fishing lures. Now these are all going to be frogs. You can see size-wise, I actually do like the size on these. They all do have a similar color, so they've all got the white bottoms. I definitely would prefer if they had some more color that ran through. But I'm going to go ahead and try these yellow guys. I actually do like how some of these vary in size. So look at this yellow one in comparison to this green one. And I'm actually going to be trying this yellow one. A lot of the bass in this pond that's right over there are kind of smallish. So although I don't have a ton of like cover for these these frogs, there are a lot of frogs that come out here. And so I'm sure the bass would bite on them. It's just a matter of, since there's no lily pads or whatever, if they'll bite. I'm going to probably throw over here right along the edge where there's some cover. Maybe they'll think that a frog fell in or something and they'll bite on it. So let's see. Well, didn't end up catching anything, but I just want to kind of show you what the action looks like in the water. Now, obviously, if you're trying to make it walk a little bit more, you can trim up one of the tails. That's what I'll typically do with my frogs, is just kind of trim up one of the tails. But I just want to kind of show you how it pulls through the water. You can kind of see that. And then obviously you can kind of, pop it through the water, etc. as well. And it will pop pretty good. It does stay floating pretty decent as well. So we're talking about like half under, half out. And then you can, like, if it gets too much water, and I believe you can squeeze them out. That's typical for these type of frog lures. So let's go ahead and see here. So you can see it's going to get probably a little bit of water. Yeah, that one actually doesn't have hardly any in it right now, so that's good. I was casting out a good bit. Doesn't have any. It is designed to be weedless, so you've got a hook here and a hook here, so you hopefully shouldn't get caught up whether you're on lily pads or whatever the case might be. So overall, definitely a pretty good set of frog lures. Now on clear water, frogs just aren't going to work as well as if you got a bunch of weeds, you got a bunch of lily pads, whatever that you're fishing through. That's when these are really going to shine.